Hello guys, and welcome back to Unlock Force for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to scan not verify payment information. Contact Apple support for more information. So guys, if you're facing this problem, you will have to watch this video till the end. So guys, here I will give you some solution to fix your problem. So guys, open settings and then tap on profile and then tap on your payment and shipping. Wait for some seconds. So guys, from here you will have to make it sure that you have correctly entered your debit or credit card number and the expiry date is correctly entered and the security code is correctly entered. So guys, if your credit or debit card is expired, you will have to renew your credit or debit card. So guys, go back and go for the other solution. So guys, go to your profile. From here, tap on media and purchases, tap on view account. Wait for some second. So guys, from here you will have to select your correct country region. So guys, tap on country and region. Wait for some seconds. Tap on change country or region. So guys, from here you will have to select your current country or correct country. So guys, if your country is incorrectly entered, you will have to make it sure that you are having a correct country region. So guys, go back and go for another solution. So guys, open settings and then from here tap on add money to account. So guys, from here you will have to add money if you have no money in your debit or credit card. So guys, add money on your debit or credit card to use your debit or credit card and to fix your problem. So guys, after this, go back and go for the other solution, which is purchase history. So guys, open purchase history. Wait for some seconds. So guys, from here you will have to make it sure that there is no payable bills on your purchase history. If there is any payable bill on your purchase history, you will have to pay it first. So guys, after this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.